The Econ Video Doorbell, the smart way to answer your door. See and speak to visitors from anywhere. Get instant alerts on your phone when motion is detected. Monitor your home with live view video. The Econ Video Doorbell features HD camera, two-way audio, motion detection, Wi-Fi connection, night vision, mobile notification, 166-degree wide angle, and 3 rechargeable batteries. Hi, I've got a package for Jennifer. Hello, I'm at work right now. Could you leave the package by the door? Thank you. Home security is made easy with the passive infrared radiation sensor, detecting the slightest motion. Receive instant mobile notification directly to your phone from anywhere. Protect your home day and night with infrared night vision. Micro SD card providing easy and free storage. No monthly subscription required. The Econ Video Doorbell also features 3 rechargeable batteries providing long-lasting power, lasting between 6 to 8 months. The doorbell has a built-in slot for micro SD card. No monthly fees for storage. You can share the doorbell with your family with multiple users on the To See app. Compatible with our wireless chime with more than 50 different chimes. The Smart Video Doorbell lets you stay connected. Greet your guests from anywhere. Setting up the video doorbell. Download the latest To See app. Turn on your doorbell. Add the device. Select QR code bridging option. Tap that the red light is flashing. Then select your Wi-Fi network. Scan the QR code. Keep both devices 15 to 20 centimeters apart. If pairing is successful, you will hear a chime followed by "Join the network successfully."
Join the network successfully.
To complete the setup, the doorbell will now emit a blue light. Create an administrative password and name your doorbell.